Is the audio now? Hello? Yo? Okay, is the audio now? Yo? Okay. Okay, is the audio now? Why is that dual voices? Yo? Okay. Okay, is the audio now? Why is that dual voices? Okay, if I have to do that, then that does that. Okay, right now should be okay, right? Yeah. Okay, right now should be okay, right? Okay, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Yeah. Oh wait, I forget that. If I wanna, okay, then yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Man, for so long. If I wanna, okay. There we go. Yes, yes, it's working, yes. Dude, for so long, my past couple streams has just been a bit of a shit show. Screen ain't showing. Audios went to shit, randomly in the middle of my stream. Audio just went off. Right now we're finally working, chat, because all because I just I managed to actually stream on OBS right now. So let's fucking go. Here's what we're gonna do. It's a bit random. It is raining right now. If you're hearing some background noises, it's drizzling right now. It's technically about to be exactly 6 p.m. right now, almost 6 p.m. So which means 1.5 more hours till iftar, and here's what we're gonna do on stream. If I'm gonna share my screen, wait, okay, can you see? Can you see my screen? Oh, and yes, I literally before this stream starts, I was literally watching some videos on how to stream on OBS. So we're here right now. What was I gonna show? Okay, let me just rewatch my stream to make sure that the screen's all okay. Dude, I can't even spell building correctly. So we're here right now. What was I gonna show? Is the rain that obvious? It is that obvious. You can hear it quite clearly. Sure, to make sure that the screen's all okay. Dude. Okay, I gotta edit the title of this stream. Can I just do this and auto stop? Wait, what happens if I? Okay, never mind. You know what? Fuck it. Wait, okay, can I just change it on my phone right here? Okay, chat. Let me change the title of this stream. Let me just go to my studio. No, that's not the one. YouTube Studio, and yeah, I'm gonna change the title real quick. Content live. So here's what is gonna happen this stream, right? I'm just gonna complete this one task, and then I'm done for today. I'm done for this stream because I still got a lot of work for me to do in this stream. And what's gonna happen is I'm just okay. So earlier, okay, how the hell do I even put into words? Complete this one task, and then I'm done for today. I'm done for this stream because I still got a lot of work for me to do in this stream. And what's man looks smooth, man. Hell yes. I'm just okay. So okay, stream so far so smooth. I'm gonna stop checking it so that I can just focus on this. Here's what I'm doing right now. I'm building out this spreadsheet list that basically consists of software products and the founder's Twitter page for me to reach out to them. So basically, what I was doing, which ended up unexpectedly being a acquisition system that I have created right now, and this is just an idea that I'm A/B testing, is I tried out this tool, and basically what happened was I was just looking for a Twitter CRM, a Twitter automation tool, and what happened was this page, this product called Inbox, was quite confusing to use. The whole UI and the whole thing was too much. There's too much content. Even the whole landing page in itself is quite unclear on what their main value proposition is. I mean, I know what there are, right, to find and close prospects on X, but it's not really that straightforward. And so what basically happened was I tried the product, didn't really understand how to use it, and I just gave a feedback inside the cancellation submission form on my feedback to the app, to the product. Why am I lagging? And then I sent the same message to the founder, which I actually found on Twitter. I managed to find the founder, and then he basically reached out to me saying that he appreciated the message and he wanted to hop on a call with me to just talk to me. And so we did that. Long story short, I hop on a call with him, and then I'm in the talks with him to actually to work together to improve his product, to increase his MRR, to make his product better essentially. So that was basically what happened, and that ended up being a kind of like an unexpected way for me to get clients, which it worked. I mean, it worked for one, which is like my first time actually doing this, and then I thought to myself, why not actually just try it for different products, which is exactly what I'm doing here right now on this spreadsheet. I'm doing the exact same thing. So for example, you see here there are 10 products, 10 names, 10 products that I built out earlier today, this morning. I spent throughout the whole entire afternoon actually just building out this list. And yeah, basically, so here's the game plan. I'm gonna find products, software products, I'm gonna test them, and then I'm gonna basically find out the flaws and the activation leaks of the product, and then I'm gonna give the feedback to the founder. I'm gonna outreach the product to the founder on what they can improve, what's wrong with their product, etc., etc. So this is what I'm doing right here. I am going on platforms such as Indie Hacker, Product Hunt, Twitter Advanced Search, and Reddit. Here we have it, Reddit, on subreddits, on SaaS or micro SaaS subreddits, to find products. That's basically it. And that is how I managed to find 10 products so far, being on this platform. So far I've only been going on subreddits, on SaaS subreddit, and the Twitter Search Advanced. And the products that I'm looking for are this. Which niche am I targeting on? It's just this. Whether you're a developer tool, you're a sales / marketing automation tool like CRMs, automation tools, no code builders, and productivity / product manager. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be finding products in these type of niches. They don't exactly have to be perfect in these exact type of niches. As long as, here's also another thing that I forgot to mention. As long as they have a minimum revenue of 10K, this is important, 10K, around 10, maybe 10 to 7K, I guess, 7 to 10K, I mean, then they can work. They are qualified to be, qualified for me to outreach to them. Yeah, founder has to be Twitter because that's how I'm going to be DMing them. Making at least, okay, let me edit this. At least 7K, right? 7K makes sense. Then of course they have to be B2B. That one's like non-negotiable. So this is what I'm gonna be doing right now in this stream, before iftar, before 7:20, because I mean, not to say I'm hungry or not, but eventually by around 7 p.m. I'll be hungry. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing in this stream. We're just gonna be finding leads. This is like one of those things that's boring, very fucking boring, by the way. I've only looked for 10 leads, and guess what? Fucking hell, it's dry. But this is the needle moving task. It's always the needle moving task ends up being the most boring shit, but it's always the boring shit that ends up bringing the most ROI. It's just like, I mean, that is just like basically like every other business. A lot of people are like always like mentally masturbating on creating a VSL, creating a logo, improving the website and all that. Yeah, connecting with people. Come on, it's like, bro, I don't even have a website. I don't even, okay, like I do have like a sort of like a CRM website that I just created like a couple days ago, which to be fair, I should actually be live streaming that. Wait, let me actually put as a reminder actually. I wanna put that as a post for me to make on Twitter. Yeah, I should actually be live streaming that. But I didn't. But I'm live streaming this. Yeah, this is gonna be very dry for me, very boring. Which is why, I mean, me streaming is kind of like just an excuse for me to be more productive and for me to just put myself in the spotlight. Because when you put yourself in the spotlight, I guess you're kind of more prone to perform. So this was the recent one that I added, and then this is what I do. I just scroll, and then I just find for products. Okay. See, the thing about Twitter is easily it's easier to find how much they're making on MRR, because people on Reddit don't really state like the MRR they're bringing right now. For example, let me go back to this guy, Mehmet. I assume he's at 5k MRR right now. We're worth a shot to actually just bring him in, but 5k MRR? I don't know. Okay, let's just see what his product is about. Oh, and also like a really cool tool. So I'm using this browser called Dia, right? And basically what happened is that, let's say this tool that I analyzed just now. Basically what I can do is that it would just use this URL link, and then I could just insert this message. Okay, this is me doing this way, faggot, because the AI was not, the prompt was not doing the thing that I wanted it to do. Yeah, basically, for example, this message, it will analyze the URL of a product, and I'll basically just ask it to help me identify if this is a CRM, if this is a developer tool, if this is a project management, what is the product in one simple sentence, what does it do, and who is its ICP. And then I can also ask it to help me find the founder if you can. And this is basically just a very quick way for me to find out what this product is, what do they do, etc., etc. All those sort of very important juicy info that I need to find out. And I'm gonna be doing the same thing with this product, so I'm gonna paste that. Do it with this URL. And let's see. Is my camera too big, or should I just? Okay, maybe that's a reasonable size, I guess. Software is a software agency. Oh, okay, so they're an agency. Okay, services. Yeah, I mean, I should have read the hate bar earlier, that they're a service based business. The reason why I'm still scrolling, because I wanna see what they're doing on their way, because still like an artist, they're not my competitor, but they're my indirect competitor, because they are providing a service to improve software products. Whereas for me, I provide consultation service to increase products MRR. What they're doing is that they're just more of doing it based on what you call it, like more of like the hands-on stuff of like design support and building out the whole product for them. Whereas for me, I'm more of the director. I kind of give directions on what to do in the perspective of a user, which is equally as important, if not more. Okay, so Mikpa, you know what? I might actually keep them wrong. Might actually take some inspiration from them. Now let's move on. No, there's a different tab. Wait. Oh wait, I want this one. Okay, interesting guy. Interesting. I'm actually gonna Interesting. I'll take note on him. It says product positioning. Another of my competitor I see. Interesting. I'll make her. David CH, a guy that I follow and a guy that I've actually added him into my list. Fikri bin Ramli. Okay. Toby Scraper. Okay, now what? Okay, looks like his MRR is at 2K. Okay, just keep hustling. It's just that you're not my ICP. Okay, I assume this guy is already making more than 10K MRR because he literally just made a tweet talking about making 10K MRR is actually easy. I wanna see what's his product, or is there any way of him talking about any dashboard? Come on. February, this is still quite recent. All his content here are all on February. Is it bro, like, I literally read this as croissant. What's his main product he's working on? Because he just made a post about hitting 1K MRR, so I want to see what's his building. So okay, orchestra. I assume this is a software that helps you build your agency systems. Interesting. So okay, this is interesting product. I think he's making more than 10K MRR on this on orchestra. I think he is, because he wouldn't be making this post if he doesn't. And
I'm doing the thing that Rob did last year. I'm in Istanbul airport right now. I'm about to. So I'm doing the thing. I'm side.
by the way, wait, I want to check if you could actually hear the audio from if I were to play any video on the stream.
Doing the thing. I'm doing
Okay, yes you can. Wait, so which means if I were to play some music, check this shit out. Let's play some Chinese DJ jam. I love OBS. I should have started streaming on the OBS way sooner. Audio. Okay. Wait, audio. Wait. Hold on. So this is okay. So this is from my audio. So I assume this one is actually from. I don't want it to be too loud. So yeah, -3 decibels should be okay.
Better come correct. Bring the beat back. Who's gonna do it? All that jump inside your trunk. I'ma get you drunk, get you love jump on my hump. Let's go, lose control. Get inside of the dance floor. Better come correct. Bring the beat back.
，it's kind of fucking with my frequency playing that. I don't like. It's kind of fucking with my frequency playing that. I'm watching myself. That's so trippy. That's so cool. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, let's stop doing that. Obsidian sound feels the fucky. If you know, you know, right? If you know, you know. high, there's basically a bottle cap that in the game of longevity, you won't even scale past a certain that just because of like your monthly churn. Yeah, even 90% Has the music been quite distracting? I don't know. Start my first target. Okay. Ba 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 ba. Okay, this guy just crossed 10k MRR. Okay. What a goofball. What a cornball. What a silly cornball. Now question is, which product crossed 10k MRR? Well, just gotta dig, I guess. Come on. Is it this? Your claw? Deploy open close 6 seconds. I feel it could be this one because, you know, like the whole open claw thingy has been on a rise. Oh, fuck. Oh, holy shit. That's like my second time yawning. Doesn't really show. It doesn't. I feel like I've been scrolling on this page for ages, man. Come on, give me something, give me a clue. On which product is it? I don't know, dude. I don't know. Okay, so what the fuck? Or maybe it could it could be that 10k MRR is a collective of his different what you call it, different products, and that accumulates to 10k. I feel like that could be it, but you know, regardless, yeah, I can still reach out to him because he is qualified. Just do like just a business strategy that I learned. Just don't do it. Just start selling to, you know, people who have money, people who got the budget to afford your services or your product. They're just way easier to sell. They won't be they won't be that much of a pain in the ass. But I'm so fucking tired, man. All right. Shit. Come on. What's this? Facial. Okay, I'm not gonna add his whole entire thing. I'm just gonna add the main three. Learn claw. Wait, is it learn claw or? So this seems to be like a new product because it's Learn Claw just launched. Probably to be, yeah, this one. Yo, actually this type of SaaS are hard to work with because like their main entire thing are like like video stuff and like all those type of shit, and those they tend to be more difficult to work with. So actually I can't. It's quality over quantity, guys. Come on. Interesting. He's sharing where people actually came from where do people come from here his product. Organic search, interesting. SEO. Interesting. Simple Claw. The owner is going to sell this as. You see the thing that doesn't make sense yet? North America, South Asia. Let's just move. This is a good point. Read it if you want. Yeah, come on, give me something.
$42K in MRR in just 90 days with one marketing strategy, basically writing just super useful content, like 3 long form tweets per week with about like coding with AI.
In public. So yeah, I shipped one particular
Reddit marketing. Cool, bro. Simon Hoiberg. I ain't reaching out to that guy. That guy has like 1 million followers. Still that is. Okay, not million, but still a lot. 150,000 followers in a niche space in Twitter. Fuck that. Oh. Okay, we gotta play something, guys. Athens, 330 BC. Suck on my nuts. Oh, yo. Okay, hold on. I'm so fucking tired right now. What the hell? What else are we? Yo, listen. You know what? This is a standing desk after all. Oh shit. And we're erected. We're up. Oh fuck. Wait, let me do some push-ups real quick. Okay, wait. Hold on. You're ready? Okay, wait. Then let me. Fuck you. I'm gonna do push-ups right now. Alright, just 10 standing push-ups. That should be it. Alright. I'll just backlight never left. Oops. There we go. Alright, let's complete this task, right? Where we're at. How many do I got? Right, 14. Shit. Oh no. Oh wait, yeah. I forgot. Wait, I'm not adding this guy. I forgot because it doesn't really fit the niche that I'm working with. So I just need like, okay, fuck it, just 2 more, right? 2 more, and then it's already 6:52. I feel like I'm gonna end the stream latest around 7:10. So we got some time to just find 2 more products. Mark Blue. He's a big guy in the Twitter SaaS space. All I see is red. This guy seems like he's. Hold on. This may be my competitor. I need to understand and study more of my competitors. I'll stop trying to help a founder figure out why his SaaS product couldn't grow past 40k MRR. Try ads. So does he help them in marketing wise? In sales growth strategies? I'm gonna say this. Sam Woods. Businesses. Zero growth businesses. So is his offer more of like a niche thing? Says company as well. E-commerce brand. Yeah, looks like he's kind of broad, working with direct to consumer brands, working with e-commerce brands or SaaS products. Okay. But still, nonetheless, he still is targeting my niche. Powertrain collabs. I know that. Another one we to assess from. These are like what do you call it? These are like tweets that I can actually create as well, you know? Like this is like a template I can use. savings. February 4 to 17 as well. This guy too. Oh wait, no, what's the other one? Yeah. So I'm just competent. Keep it up, man. Allah guide you, and inshallah you will get a job or business which suits you best. Just never be arrogant person. Always thanks to Allah, and everything will be great. Work on your karma, but alhamdulillah, thank you very much. Yeah, may Allah bless you too. Yeah, alhamdulillah, man. I love messages like that. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. You know, just putting in the grind, just working. This is like literally all I care about. But just my main goal in 2026 is to sign 10 clients in 2036. And for me to do that, create content, outreach, acquisition systems, create content on YouTube and Twitter, then that's it. We're only focusing on the needle moving past right here in 2036. So far it's only, dude, the second month of 2026 and I'm really close to signing a client. We're still in talk because he's currently right now looking for a developer to add his team, and then that's when we can finally be on the go. But other than that, considering that I had to make a pivot on this offer because what I did in 2035 was, you know, selling digital products for software founders. Didn't really make any success. Yeah, I made some sales and all that. But the reason why I made a pivot to digital product to service-based product was that I need a lot of attention and a lot of people to buy my digital product in order for me to just make like 1K per month. But for my service-based business, dude, like I could only have like one client every single month, just one, for me to make like more than 1K per month. So that's the idea here. That's the pivot. And the reason why I decided to sell digital products in the first place was because I saw it as like a low entry product, as like a lead magnet. But then a guy just told me, I mean, he does like consultation, like coaching stuff, and he basically told me that why would you want to do that when you could just straight away just sell your service? And I'm like, does it work? And they say, yes, I'm doing it right now. And I'm like, fuck, I've been doing this from the whole entire time. Damn, how come a post from 2023 popped up? That's literally like 2 years ago. Literally, because it's already February 4th. Nigga, if you're another clone building your whole identity, working on another shitty resume, building another uptime monitoring SaaS nobody uses. A traditional example of a fucking user is what you are. Enjoy your 5K MRR. That's funny. Is it? Okay, I'm not gonna get into like a rabbit hole. Fuck that. That's funny though. I find it a bit funny, but more refreshing when like non-black people use the N-word. I'm like, I use the N-word quite sometimes, like not all the time, but yeah, I do say nigger here and there. But that's the thing, you know, because it's like, even though if I have no black friends, I would still be using that word. People kind of like, there are like non-black people who kind of like use that as an excuse, like, oh guys, like, I have black friends, I can use that word because, you know, like my black friends are okay with that. I mean the same shoes, but it's like, dude, like even though if I have no black friends, I'm still gonna use that word.
It's day 107 of going Gumi KI to 10K MRR. So we're finally getting ready to post the video. So it was.
Question is, So what is his current MRR? Do I need more headroom? I'm gonna sit down right now. Let's go here. Steady dashboards, come on, chat. Should I just add in this like this?
Entire day I was really just focusing on getting the midterm done. Kind of long, but it was pretty good though. I finished the entire thing, and I just got some food and came back. Now it's finally time to start like looking back, looking on the the project and things like that.
By the way, I want to get to 100.
I think, yeah, the main reason, so as I mentioned yesterday, was the product's not really up to standard. So right now, while I am trying to reach out to more content creators to try out our service,
but I thought I was due another video update. So it's day 6.
How many clients do I have? If people are wondering, just one, which is bouncy.ai, which is if you to look at my pin tweet, that's like the client I have right now. This guy is based in Malaysia. But I wanna know what's the MRR, dude.
Never get used to talking on camera, but I thought I was due another video update. So it's day 6 since we launched Affinity. Things have gone unbelievably well. We have 1,090 people.
Let's make it 2,000 then. This is not what I expected. Okay, what is this? Okay, that's cool. What is this product? Okay. I'm not sure if that's a like SaaS. Also adding inside the list for where is it? This one on Clio, right? Clio. Yeah, seems like Clio. Cam was like the main founder. Looks like he's got different tools, so get your brand page. Yeah. Okay. Now this one is making 20k MRR.
Second one is a SaaS company called Mentions. We launched it 30 days.
Interesting. Okay, this is promising, yeah. Mentions. Okay, yeah. I can add this as a list. Rob Hoffman, looks like he's building, 3 businesses. Damn. Okay, shit, this one. I'm lagging chat. Analyze this.
The thing is, SEO is no longer just about Google.
No, that's Clio. Wait, no, not Clio. I mean like Mentions. Social listening mentioning tracking tool for creators and brands. Social listening and mentioning dashboard. Okay. That's interesting. Okay. The same man himself. Now they're at 20k MRR. And what is the description again? So this is what they are. Okay, and then I'm off till 1 more, but it is literally 7:07 right now, so I have to close the show soon, and then yeah, I'll just continue to decide so on and so forth. Postal side. There we go. Yeah, this is the list. Again, boring as stream, I know, but yeah, this is literally the normal day-to-day thing that I'm doing. So, hey, I mean, there we have it, you know. 1 hour 11 minutes, shit. Okay, I didn't expect the stream to be that long. I mean, to be fair, I could have made it into an easy 2-hour stream, that is. Bro, okay, also another thing, I don't know why, this is like a phenomenon, but like, bro, my live streams get way more views than my normal video itself. For example, like this video, like one of my video right here, this one, my recent video, by the way, got 15 views 4 days ago, and this stream, this live stream right now, have, so you're telling me that there's 12 people tuning in into the stream. What? Same thing like my most recent stream, 75 views, dude. And bro, like my last stream like went to shit because like the audio just was fucked up. There was no audio in that video. So what's going on? Should I just be a live streamer now? Like fuck my YouTube videos and just like stream me literally streaming my whatever thing I'm doing right now. But yeah, that's it. That's the whole entire stream. I should be doing this way more, really. Just stream for like 1 hour, like 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 120 minutes max, and yeah, good stuff. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye.